Hey guys, what's up? So this week we're going to be doing something a little bit different. My dryer went out. It actually has a faulty timer. It's a GE dryer and it has a faulty timer switch on it. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So if you happen to have a GE dryer that has a faulty timer, you'll be able to fix it too. So stay tuned and we'll get it done. So here is the panel on my GE electric dryer. This is the faulty timer switch right here. Actually, when you spin it, it doesn't stop at any of the correct positions anymore, and it won't even start when you try to start it. So I'm pretty sure this is what the issue is, so I've ordered a new one of these, and so we're going to replace it. So let's get started with that process. Okay, so the first step is to remove the dial. Step one. Alright, now the next step here is just to remove all of the screws in the back. This is a 1/4 inch. So okay, now that we've gotten them all removed, we can take the back panel off. And this is the timer back here that we're looking to replace. So what I'm going to do, or what I recommend, is you just snap a picture of the wiring, so that way you know how to put it back and you don't have any issues when you put it back. So that's what we're going to do, and we're just going to take this one out and then we'll pop the new one in. Always remember to unplug it first before you start pulling wires out. So there's our part right there. So now we just got to pop the new one in. We should be good to go.
Alright, so now we have the timer back in. We have everything hooked back up according to the picture that we took with the wiring, and now I just need to get the back put on there and closed up and the dial put on the front, and we should be good to go.
Let's test it and see if it works now. Nice, it's working. know if you can hear it. See, it was spinning. Timer works. Awesome. Great job. Easy fix. So if you have a GE electric washer with a busted timer, this is how you fix it. 15 minutes, you can do it yourself, save yourself $150. There you go. DIY Dad.